Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix "You were kicked from session by BattlEye" in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Rockstar Games launcher on your PC. After that, click on Settings. If you usually play GTA offline with mods, make sure BattlEye is disabled so it does not interfere with your files. However, if you want to play GTA online, you must enable BattlEye from this menu. Next, completely close the Rockstar Games launcher. Now open Task Manager and end all Rockstar-related processes to make sure nothing is running in the background. Once done, click on the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. In the command window, type SC delete BE service and press Enter. After you see the success message, close Command Prompt and reopen the Rockstar Games launcher. This will reinstall BattlEye automatically. So that's basically how you can fix "You were kicked from session by BattlEye" in GTA 5. Thanks!